Hello everybody, it's morning for you guys, but it's about 5 o'clock, 5:30 for me. Today was one of the 2 days a week where I still go into my day job. I'm just there part-time in this transition. I'm worn out. I'm not really feeling like mental work right now, and I still never got the lawnmower fixed. So my goal for right now, fix the lawnmower. Again, attempt 2. A little more percussive maintenance, a little more sheet metal work, and I think it's good to go this time. So I'm gonna give it a test, hopefully without startling the horse underneath my neighbor, which is what happened last time, and that was almost bad. I fixed it, it's working. I'm gonna do a little bit of mowing. I dropped my phone. It's super nice out, so I'm just gonna keep on mowing. Okay, it's like 2.5 hours later, and I'm gonna call it done mowing for tonight. I mean, I made a dent, but there's still a whole lot left to do. It takes about 8 hours to mow everything. Normally, we kind of break it up and do like, one section one weekend, then a different section the next weekend, and so on. But the lawnmower's been broken for, weeks or months, and probably like a month and a half or so. And fortunately it was hot and dry, so the grass didn't grow too much, but I mean, it grew enough, and so now there's a lot of mowing to do. So I guess that was the majority of my evening tonight. Now it's time for some video editing, my favorite.